Good morning, it's Monday morning. So this is my ride to work. I only live a few minutes from my shop. And I bought this 11.0 MMB multimedia adapter after getting it set up, which for me was a little frustrating. Why it doesn't update wirelessly or hardwired without you having to download something, I'm not really sure about that. I definitely encountered some issues. Not sure if I induced them or not. I'll make another video after I get to the bottom of it. But what you may want to know is, how do you reset your MMB multimedia player? So in the bottom, there's a teeny tiny hole between the adapter ports, and you could take a pin or a paper clip and make sure that it's plugged in, and you can just feel it click. Don't go crazy because you can break it, because circuitry today is super delicate. But make sure it's plugged in and make sure you feel it click, and that's the reset for the product. It didn't resolve any issues for me. It may resolve some issues for you, but let me know.